Good morning, student. This is our worksheet for today, and this worksheet is on analytic paragraph. Here you are given a diagram. आपको यहाँ diagrams दिए हैं, graph दिया है, जिसको देखकर आपको एक paragraph लिखना है. You have to write one paragraph. Let's see what the study of curriculum happiness curriculum says. This diagram is related to this. Let's first understand this. A new course, Happiness Curriculum, was introduced in 2018 in the government schools in Delhi. So, as everybody knows, Happiness Curriculum 2018 में सभी schools में introduce हुआ था. A study was conducted in some schools of Delhi to find out the effect of this course on students' behavior. Teachers were asked if they could notice a change in their behavior. So after the study, after the happiness curriculum, what was the change in the behavior? Students के behavior में क्या change आया? Now these are some questions that has to be asked. Did you find increased instances of sharing with each other in students? So students are sharing with each other. Happiness after mindfulness activity, you talk about what have you noticed. Then you share your ideas, your thoughts, and how you were feeling or how you were thinking. So the sharing has contributed in people's behavior. So स्टूडेंट्स के बिहेवियर में वो शेयरिंग का एटीट्यूड जो है वो इंक्लूड हो गया. Did you find increased instances of helping each other in the students? Now in the happiness curriculum you have also learned various stories which are which point out good qualities in everyone. तो आपने एक दूसरे से आपने एक दूसरे का हेल्प करना स्टार्ट किया. So this is the behavior change. First is sharing, then helping each other. Next, did you find reduced instances of fighting with each other? So students are less fighting with each other, and there is a positive impact in classroom of students. So here we are given these diagrams. First is sharing instances. This is how many students are sharing, क्या change आया है. Then here it is about helping each other, then positive behavior and reduced instances of fighting. सबसे ज़्यादा जो great impact आया है वो sharing में आया है. Students have started opening up. They are sharing their thoughts, they are sharing their feelings. So सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट जो है वो शेयरिंग में आया. देन हेल्पिंग में, एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर हेल्पिंग ईच अदर. सो इट इज़ 100 हियर, इट इज़ 100 हियर. सो दे बोथ आर इक्वल. देर इज़ एन इक्वल चेंज दोनों में. देन what about positive behavior in class and fighting? Here it is 97.1 and here it is 91.4. So पॉजिटिव बिहेवियर 97.1 आया है और फाइटिंग के इंस्टांसेस 91 पॉइंट स्टूडेंट्स के नहीं हैं. सो हियर इट इज़ 3.2 नो एंड हियर इट इज़ 2.9. सो फाइटिंग इंस्टांसेस नीड टू बी वर्कड ऑन. स्टूडेंट्स को और पॉजिटिव करना चाहिए ताकि हमारे पास में अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स शेयर करें, पॉजिटिव बिहेवियर रखें, एंड दे डोंट फाइट इन द क्लास. And there is no negativity in the class. When the environment is positive, then we learn more. So as you see, based on all the charts given below, write a paragraph analyzing and describing results of study. So you only have to talk about what data is given to you here. You are not going to give your personal point of views in analytic paragraph and use only one tense in analytic paragraph. Analytic paragraph talks about facts and see here as we have it about analytic paragraph. Analytic paragraph is a form of descriptive writing which is written on the basis of given chart and graph data, outline, cues, and table. Writing an analytical paragraph, one should remember to describe the fact in the best possible manner. So आपको जो भी information दिया है, whatever information is given to you, you have to use the best language to express it. And it has to be written in 100 word to 120 words, and the language of paragraph has to be crisp and clear, providing the complete details of the chart. जो भी आपको ग्राफ चार्ट जो भी दिया है, वट एवर इज गिवन टू यू, यू हैव टू यूज़ क्लियर एंड क्रिस्प लैंग्वेज टू टॉक अबाउट इट. Then there will be an internal choice, and this definitely comes for 5 marks. Now, what are the features of it? It describes chart, table, data, and graph. It is brief and comprehensive. You have to give the complete information in the paragraph. And it states facts. आपको जितने भी facts chart में दिए हैं, you are going to talk about facts only. You are not going to add any fictitious information in it. आप कोई भी unreal information इसमें add नहीं कर सकते. Analytic paragraphs are totally based on graph and chart. Then use simple and accurate language. Mention figures and quantities appropriately. जो भी आपको figures और quantity graph में दिए, you only have to use that. It is appropriate to use the same tense. Use same tense. Don't change the tense. And no personal observation. Let me mark it with a red one. No personal observation should be given, and write in passive form of the verb. Now this part we are going to learn how to write and the tips of writing analytic paragraph. कैसे लिखते हैं? First, the chart given describes in introduction. First there will be introduction, and then the body, and then the closing conclusion. This part belongs to the body. So introduction, 3 parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction, body, and conclusion. Conclude it. So how you can start? These are some phrases given to you. आपको ये phrases दिए हैं, आप ये phrases use कर सकते हैं. The chart given above describes, the table suggests, the line graph shows, the data given provides information about, the pie chart illustrates. इनमें से जो दिया है सिर्फ वही use करना. Use only that. For describing trends, use phrases like a pattern of growth, rapidly doubled and skyrocket, striking increase, peaked, soaring rates, decline and plummet, level off, stagnant, fluctuate. You can use all these phrases. Then describing quantities, various styles like 48%. You can talk about the percentage. इतना ऊपर, इतना परसेंटेज ऊपर गया, इतना परसेंटेज नीचे गया, हाईएस्ट क्या है, लो क्या है. देन एस्टैब्लिशिंग अ रिलेशनशिप और कॉन्ट्रास्ट. आप कॉन्ट्रास्ट एंड कंपेयर कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस वर्कशीट यू कैन कंपेयर शेयरिंग कितनी बड़ी है और फाइटिंग कितनी 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 कम बड़ी है. So you can talk about that. Then in the conclusion you can talk about how you are going to conclude. Overall, subsequently, for the given chart, or in short, striking changes. These are phrases given to you. ये सारे आपके पास में phrases given हैं जो आप words अपने analytic paragraph में use कर सकते हैं. Let's go back to the worksheet now. So this part of the worksheet, as you can say, Based on all the charts given above, write a paragraph in 100 to 120 words analyzing or describing the results of the study. So you have to analyze these four graphs given to you. These two are equal, and there is a difference here. How the behavior of the students has changed, कितना change हुआ है कितना नहीं change हुआ है, here these are some questions given here. So I hope everybody enjoys writing this analytic paragraph, and I would like everyone to try this, how to write. So you can start by saying that as the given chart displays, or as the given chart shows, the the highest improvement we get in instances of sharing and helping each other. They both are equal. So, and you can talk about that there is less change in positive behavior in class and reduced instances of fighting. And we would like students to improve their behavior in class, and the fighting goes down, स्टूडेंट्स कम लड़ें और उनका बिहेवियर चेंज हो. तो इन दोनों डेटा में कम डिफरेंस, कम चेंज आया है, शेयरिंग और हेल्पिंग में ज़्यादा चेंज आया है. सो टॉक अबाउट इट इन योर पैराग्राफ. हैव अ नाइस डे टू एवरीवन.